Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Thursday, December 4th, 2008. This morning I'd like to go through the %done bar. Not a terribly exciting widget in terms of how to use it, but useful for a number of purposes. Reading files, reading stuff down from the internet. You might want to include a percentage bar so that the end user doesn't get frustrated wondering how far things have progressed. So the usage model is pretty simple. Put it down here on your canvas. I'm going to make it a little bigger so that we can see it. And then I'm going to go over here to the properties, and I'm going to call this %done. Give it the same ID. That's what I normally do, give things the same ID because it makes my life simpler. None of the other properties you need to worry about: position, flyby help, color. You can change all these, but in general, this is all just basic stuff. So now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to install this, and I'm going to call it my UI4, because that's one I haven't used before. And we'll just hit OK on these. And now I'm going to hit define because I want to define the aspect behind %done. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to browse the code because I want to put in some simulation of the percentage moving up. And the easiest way to do that is to create a new category called interface opening. And I'm just going to paste in a method that I tested out a few minutes ago, post open with. And you'll see here that all I'm doing is something very basic. I'm counting from 0.1 to 1 by 0.1. And then I'm just upping the %done value, and then I'm delaying for 500 milliseconds so you can see it happen. So not a terribly exciting thing. It's not counting anything real, but if I now open this, you'll be able to see it marching across, and there it is. It's counting %done, gets to 100%. Normally you would put this in some kind of pop-up or at the bottom of a window in a status bar, and maybe make it invisible based on what the user is doing. But the usage is really simple. The only thing you need to worry about is in terms of your application, you need to worry about how you get the events from whatever it is you're measuring. But that's not really part of this screencast. So I'll leave it there for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.